Hello everyone. Our today's lecture is based on work and time practice. Our first question is our first question our first question is four men and three women finish a job in 6 days. Also five men and seven women can do the same job in 4 days. If one man and one woman will do the same job in X days, what will be the value of perfect square nearest to 14x? What is this x? X is one man and one woman will do the same job in X days. We have to find first this X days. Solution. First, we have to know about this formula. MDH is equivalent to MDH, M dash D dash H dash divided by work. Work is always equivalent to 1, so that we can say the formula is like that: MDH is equivalent F1, D1 and H1. Now solve this question line by line. 4 men and 3 women finish a job in 6 days. 4 men plus 6 women. I can substitute this value in place of M, and days are 6, so multiply 6. Hours are not mentioned here, so hours are not necessary to write here. Is equivalent, men's are here, 5 men and 7 women. 5 men plus 7 women multiplied by days, which are exact 4 days. Now solve this question, make the ratio. 4 are 24 men plus 36, sorry, here is 3 women, 6 are 18 women is equivalent 20 men plus 28 women. Is when we solve this equation, we find 4 men is equivalent to 10 women. Men divided by woman is equivalent to 10 divided by 4, which is equivalent to 2 or 4, to 5 or 10. Men is equivalent to 5, and woman, which is equivalent to, if I say the total efficiency is 7. Now what is the total work? Let's find the total work. If I say 4 men plus 3 women into 6, this is total work. 4 into 5 plus 3 into 2 into 6. 4 5 are 20 plus 3 2 are 6 into 6 is, which is equivalent to 26 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12, 13 14 15, 156. Now total work 156 divided by efficiency is 22 point something, which is answer. Now we have find the exact value of that. We can, let's make this calculation simple. First I have to rub this. I will rub this area like that. We have to do 156 divided by 7, which is exactly the answer is x. We can do like that, 14, and the value of x is 156 divided by 7. 7 1 or 7 7 2 or 14, which is value, its value will be 312. The nearest perfect square near 312 is 324. I hope you guys get this question as well. Now let's move on the next question. What is our next question? Our next question is like that: is efficiency is B and 2 together working together, A and B can complete a work in 36 days. C can alone complete this work in 60 days. A and C work together in 10 days. B alone will complete the remaining work in. We have to find B alone will complete the remaining work. We have to focus on this word, remaining work. Let's solve this question. A is efficient as B and C together. It means A's efficiency is B plus C. Note this statement: working together A and B complete a work in 36 days, and C can alone do this work in 60 days. Now what is a total work? Total work is LCM of these two numbers, which are 180. Now divide total work divide by days, and get the efficiency. I think efficiency is 5, and here is efficiency 180 divided by 60, which is equivalent to 3. A plus B efficiency is 5. We know A is equivalent to B plus C. A is equivalent to B plus C, and this B is equivalent to 5. I'll do nothing, just substitute the value of A, B plus C. It becomes 2B plus C. What is the value of C? 3 is equal to 5. B's efficiency is 1. Now we have to find that when A and C work together for 10 days, B alone will complete the remaining work. First we find that how many work and C work together for 10 days. We know A's efficiency and C's efficiency. A's efficiency is, if B's is 1, then A's is 4. A's efficiency is A plus B. A's efficiency is 4. Sorry, A plus C. C's efficiency is 3. Total efficiency is equivalent to 7. Now they complete the work 10 days. Sorry, they did not complete, but they worked 10 days. And they work 10 days. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. They done the work in 10 days is equivalent to 70 units. Total work is 180, and remaining is 110. Remaining work is 110. When we do this work by the efficiency of 1, it takes time. 110 divided by efficiency is equal to 110 days. Then the answer be 110 days. I hope you guys get this question also. Now it is time homework for you. Question 3 is homework for you, and question 4 is also homework for you. Let's do these questions and level up and boost your brains. Thank you.